What's up, YouTube? Got another car here for a review for you. It's something really special. This light sucks, this weather sucks, but this car will really brighten your day. So I'm gonna head into the garage here. This is something my buddy's got for sale. I'm gonna put all of his information below, so if you want to get in touch with him after you see this, which I'm sure you're gonna want to. So all right guys, so for those of you who don't know, Shelby produced a KR version of the GT500, 1 year only, in 2008, and this one here was sent out back to Shelby and had a wide body kit put on it right from Shelby. I'm gonna see if you can see this. Okay, the tires in the back, 345 30 20, and this work was all done at Shelby, was sent out to Shelby. The paperwork on this vehicle is absolutely amazing. So this was a one-owner car. It went to the owner's brother when he passed away, and he was the one who sold it. The amount of work on this car and the amount of paperwork that comes with this car. Now, how about this? How about a 3.6 liter liquid cooled Kenne Bell blower, putting out 850 horsepower, tuned by Lund. It's got all the billet accessories underneath, fiberglass hood with hood pins on it. It's got the hood struts. Let me pull the hood down so you can see. There you go. You got the hood pins that lock. They go down right into this hole here, and then you turn it. We have 275 tires up front. Michelin Super Sports on this car. We have a carbon fiber, I don't know how well that's going to show up, but we have a carbon fiber chin spoiler. And I'm going to show you another trick here. Carbon fiber covers. We have an automatic transmission. So the story is on this car that the original owner was handicapped and couldn't drive a stick, so he had a 3-speed with an overdrive transmission put in to the tune of, I don't know, $15,000. These seats were all redone as well. These are not the stock seats. There's a ton of billet inside. We have gauges that were added. I'm guessing it's air, fuel, boost. Right down in the A-pillar there, done nicely. We have the Shelby plaque. Let me open the door here. Shelby plaque right there. This car is numbered, and there's some more billet. I know it's a little dark, guys, I'm sorry. But, yeah, this thing is incredible. Only 16,000 original mile. Oh, I'm sorry, 18,000, there we go. The trunk open, but it did show that it had 18,000 miles on it. So everything works. So there's 4 gauges. We have a boost gauge, the wideband for the air fuel, both levels, I guess. Gauges everywhere. You have the gauge in the AC vent there, heat vent. Pop open the trunk here so you can see some of the. He's got the SCT tuner. Brighten this up for you a little bit. SCT tuner, Shelby material. He's got folders of everything that was done to the car. Just every part number. Every person who worked on this car, you could find the information of where it was done, the phone number, the part numbers, all of the receipts. The original window sticker is, oh, here's the information on the wide body. I mean, the paperwork on this car alone is just incredible. The amount of research this guy did before he went ahead and bought all this stuff. We have over here, we have the addendum sticker for the KR. So this car was, let's see here if I can get it to focus. There we go. So that was just the addendum. So that was, so you have the Shelby sticker from Ford. So this is 465220. That was for a 2008 Shelby GT500. There's all the information there, VIN number, all that stuff. And then this was the addendum sticker. So this was on the windshield after Shelby took it back and turned it into a KR. So you're looking at $82,000 just to get the vehicle off the lot from Ford. And then here's information on the automatic transmission that was put in it. We have all kinds of invoices everywhere laid out here. A Circle D torque converter was added as well. Just an unbelievable amount of work done to the car with all of the paperwork provided to show you what was done. We quickly totaled this up, and I mean, we were just rounding stuff off and came up with very close to $80,000 in receipts. Okay, and that does not include the original price of the car. So this guy paid, you know, $82,000 and then had $80,000 minimum $80,000 worth of work done to this car. And it's just, I mean, it was done by Shelby, so it's meticulously done. Gaps are all good. There's no cracks. The scoops were also part of that package. So, and as you can see, it's the silver with the blue stripes. We're gonna start it up for you now so you can hear it. You wanna start up? Give it a run, man. way you can track it. Great car. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please hit me up. And like I said, I'll leave all the information down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe. All right, guys, thanks.